This instructional video will show you how to use the Meishe creation tool to create a photo album. Before we begin, let's take a look at the sample we will be teaching today.
The clouds embrace the mountains, the sun is setting, what of you?
To make it easier to understand the production process, we can break down this template into several parts. First, the top layer effect is the filter. It includes a flash and glitter effect. Second, the middle layer is a photo frame that contains the animation of the user's material. Third, the bottom layer is a background based on the user's material, with a blur effect added. Fourth, we need to add music to the photo album. Now we can open the filter creation panel of the tool. First, we need to select a 9:16 aspect ratio, which is a common aspect ratio for photo albums. Next, we need to upload the prepared materials. Here, we need to name the materials uniformly using the format photo_replace followed by a number. Then we place the materials in order on the timeline. As we analyzed earlier, we need to apply a Gaussian blur effect to the user's material that is on the bottom layer. Based on experience, we set the blur radius to 30. Process the subsequent materials in the same way. Then, we can adjust the appearance sequence of the bottom layer background on the timeline. This should be designed before we start using the tool. Next, we set keyframes for the materials. In this sample, we need to set the opacity of the blurred background material. Then we perform the same operation for the materials that need animation. Next, we need to set the materials for the middle layer. We know that the middle layer actually consists of a photo frame and the user's material. Therefore, here we need to copy the background material, remove the Gaussian blur, and adjust its size. We can directly delete the Gaussian blur effect in the top right panel. Then, we adjust the size of the material in the transform options. Adjust it to the desired size. Here, we set it to 0.8. In the same way, we resize all other materials to 0.8. Next, we place the frame material in the appropriate position and adjust the in and out times on the timeline. Next, we need to group the materials together to ensure their animation effects are consistent. Here, we add a group and move it to the top. Then, we place the required materials into the group. Here, we make some adjustments to the initial positions of the materials within the group. Next, we set keyframes for the position of the group. In this step, we add an alpha channel effect to the materials. Upload the pre-prepared mask animation. This material also needs the same mask animation. In this step, we set up the top layer filter. Drag the filter material into the place. Adjust its timeline length. Set its ratio to 720 by 1280. Here, set its loop mode to loop forever. And repeat. Set its blend mode to screen. We set up another light effect in the same way. The final step is to add music here. Finally, let's preview the effect together.
the clouds embrace the mountains. The sun is setting, what of you?
Finally, we need to show everyone how to upload the resource pack. First, we need to log into our account. Click the Upload button. Choose Photo Album here. Give your photo album a name and add some tags. Then you can upload it. The pop-up window indicates that the upload was successful. Thanks for watching.